Namaste, hello friends. Most of us experience numbness in our hands and legs, especially when we keep sitting or sleeping in one position for a long time. The common cause is improper blood circulation. So today I have compiled some yoga asanas to improve the blood circulation in that particular part or organ of the body. And doing this whole sequence can improve the overall blood circulation in the body and hence improve your overall health. So let's begin. Stand in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at waist. Jump and spread your legs 5 feet apart. Inhale. Exhale and bend forward, your palms touching the ground in line with feet. Inhale, exhale and bend your head to touch the crown of your head to the ground. This improves the blood circulation in the head. Inhale and slowly lift your head, coming back to neutral position. Next, come to one end of the mat and get ready for frog walk. Inhale and take lower squat position. Make sure your heels are not touching the ground. Bend your right knee to touch the ground and take a step forward. Now bend the left knee to touch the ground, then step forward. This improves the blood circulation in entire legs. Those suffering from knee pain should not attempt this. All right. Now stand, inhale and raise your hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Plank pose and downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up and bring it forward to pigeon pose. Now slowly bow your head down. It stretches the hip flexors and improves blood circulation in that region. Now slowly coming back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up and bring it to pigeon pose on the other side. And slowly bow your head down and breathe. Now slowly swing your right leg forward and come on your knees. Now place your hands above your hips for support. Inhale and slowly bend backwards. Touch your right hand to your right foot, then left hand to left foot, and very slowly and gently tilt your head all the way back. Now very slowly come back. Let's do it one more time. It is the best exercise for blood circulation in abdominal region. Awesome. Now lay down on your back and we will attempt shoulder stand. Take a deep breath Exhale and lift both legs up. Now support your lower back and lift yourself. Keep supporting your back and lifting yourself until only your shoulders, head, and forearms are on the ground. Practice and stay in this pose for at least 5 minutes. It offers a rich supply of blood to the upper body glands. Be very gentle while coming back. In order to neutralize your spine, let's end with our favorite bridge pose. Keep breathing. One more cycle. This time, while inhaling, slowly lift your body while swinging your hands back. And gently come back. Now slowly turn to your right or left side and rest like a baby. Be comfortable and stay there for as long as you feel good. Hope you enjoyed today's sequence. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you and Namaste.